Hello, welcome back to our SQL for Data Analysis class. In this lessons, we'll be working with the select statement. Previously, in order for us to view our table values, we would usually go to the table in question, right-click on it, and select top 1,000 rows to view our table content. But with the select statement, we would see how we can query our tables without having to go through that route. All right, so let us quickly display our employee demographic tables using the select statement. So to do that, we'll say select asterisk from employee demographics. So this statement is expected to display all of our table values. Asterisk simply means you want to display all your entire data set, your entire table. All right, so let's execute this. Oh, I need to reconnect. Okay. Okay, one more thing. Kindly take note of this corner right here. It's showing that I'm in the master database. So because we are still learning the basic, I would ensure that I'm on the SQL tutorial database, the database we created at the beginning of the class. And then I would execute my statement. And now I can see my entire table. Also, what if I don't want to see the entire table? I just want to see the Okay, for the sake of these lessons, I'll be using capital letter for the special query statement. I want to select first name. I want to display only the first name of my table. So I'll say select first name from employee demographics table and execute this. And my table has displayed just the first name. I can decide also to select just the gender. So select gender from employee demographics and execute this. And I can see that I have 4 female and 4 male. All right, there's also a statement called select distinct. Let's see how that works. Select distinct. Distinct gender from employee demographics table. If I highlight this, I would see distinct values of my gender column. That is female and male. All right. So if I had more gender options, it will show me the distinct values available on the gender. All right. We can also try out the count statement. Let's perform some kind of calculation. Let's say select, let me stick to the caps lock. Select count, let's count last name. How many last name do we have? Many last names do we have on our employee demographic table? If I execute this, you'll see that we have 4 last names. Of course, I created 4 rows, so it's showing that there are 4 last names in our employee demographic table. If you notice, the table that displayed is showing no column. So we use the as statement. Let's use the as statement as total last name. And execute this one more time. Oh, execute this one more time. And you can see that I no longer have no columns, but rather what I have is my results output has a unique value name. That is what the add statement does. Okay. Now, let us try to select max age from employee demographics table. This will show us the maximum age in our data set. I might want to give this a unique value, a unique output name as max. Okay. Oh, wrong location, wrong location. Oh, all right. So it's supposed to come before from. How did I know? I saw that there was an error on my lines. Looks better now. No red lines. It means we are doing everything just fine. Here we go. Max age 40. So if we can find max age, it means you can find mean age, minimum age value, and then average age. Okay. So this is a basic use case of the select statement. I would try out mean and average, just like I said before, as mean age. I need to give me a result as 24. So I would do same for average age. How do we find average? We use the term AVG. Okay, AVG. And there we have it. 31 is the average age in our data set. This is the basic use case of the select statement. We'll continue with more select queries in the next class. See you then.